welcome back to my channel. So we are with a friend.
Hi.
So we are going to be picking out one of my fidgets.
And
yeah.
6 of them.
Yeah.
She has 30 in all.
Yeah, I have 30 fidgets and all. Specifically 31, but I'm going to keep that one out because it's not equal. So let's get started. Okay, so I want this mochi.
Okay, I want...
Where's the other mochi? Ah! Okay, you're going to have to take that mochi.
I want this.
But I want this.
Very squishy.
I know, they're dirty.
Mochi.
Okay, I want this homemade snapper. You can...
I want this.
You have to take that.
This
Okay, I want this pea popper.
I want this water timer.
I want this green pea popper.
I want this pink pea popper.
I want this black snake. I want this fidget pad.
I want this Rubik's cube.
I want this squishy.
I want this weird donkey.
I want this one.
I want this.
And then I want this.
And I want this broken squishy.
So guys, we have equal amounts now. Now, get your fidgets away. So guys, we are going to be fidgeting. Those are her fidgets, and these are mine. So let's get started. Okay, so this snapper. Chaining snapper. You gotta put all your stuff over there, or just put it in this yellow box.
Say going one.
Okay, chaining the snapper going once.
Me.
What's your offer?
I will trade this this llama that's eyes just come out.
Can you add? This is really cool, and I did it myself.
I'll add this mochi, I guess.
Sure, I guess. Don't break that, Chloe. Guys, that was a really good offer.
Why are you all bummed?
Okay, guys, so she's gonna offer something. I think she's gonna look in her pile. So, guys, it's
Trading
taking
water
time.
timer.
Me!
Okay. Go. Okay.
This homemade fidget.
Can you like add or something?
I don't want to add.
Well, I want you to.
Fine, I'll add the stupid donkey thingy. Now, can you accept it?
I guess, but you're kind of rude.
Yes. Get scammed.
Got scammed, but okay.
Trading legendary pea popper.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
This monkey noodle and this.
Add. This is really, really rare.
This.
Add.
This.
Add five more things, and I'll accept.
I'm just gonna decline it. I don't want that.
No! Gosh dang it! I wasn't able to scam it. Okay. Anyways, let's try another thing.
Very rude. She's gonna scam me.
Let's try the snake. Training snake. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. What's your offer?
This very cute donkey that's legendary. This homemade snapper. No, just that.
Sure.
That girl was an idiot.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna trade all of my mochis, or I think she's gonna trade something. So let's wait. If she wants to trade anything.
Trading my very clicky, broken thingy.
Me!
What do you have to offer?
This freaking.
It's like
thingy.
my only fidgets. It's like my only fidget. So you're gonna have to really add.
Okay. I feel like I'm gonna scam, but let's add. Okay, fine. I'll add this poppet. Mini poppet.
Add like 1 or 2 more things and I'll accept.
Okay. I'm gonna get scammed, guys. I'll take away the poppet and add something else.
Okay.
I'll add this pea popper. And these are really good too.
You can add like 1 more thing and I'll accept.
Okay, fine. I'll add stupid monkey noodles. Can you accept?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Here you go.
I got scammed! No! Dang it. And you cannot trade your items, Chloe. Okay, now let's trade these.
Okay.
Trading legendary mochis, but dirty. Oh, what's your offer?
I'm going to open this very sweetie.
This is legendary.
Whatever. If I don't accept this after these two, then I'm not giving it to you.
Add something good than those two thingies,
You
though.
probably pop
Add like something else, like a puppet, and then I'll accept.
I'm not going to add it.
Then add like a homemade fidget, like add 5 more things, and I'll accept.
Here, you can have these homemade fidgets.
Add more.
I don't have more fidgets. Please.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Add what you added last time,
What do you mean?
but with the homemade fidget too. Add 3 monkey noodles, and I'll accept.
Okay. I'll add everything I have. Here you go. Get scammed. I just want these, promise you.
My time that I'm gonna add this. Oh, I scam her. I'm gonna add this very. I'm gonna add this.
I love Escosai!
I'm gonna add this thing, this monkey noodle. And I'm gonna add this Rubik's cube and then scam her. I think no. Hopefully she just has a good offer for this. Okay. Trading my Rubik's cube, going wild.
Let me feel this thingy.
No.
Fine. I'll make 3 mochis and my water timer.
Add please.
Fine. I'll make 2 mochis.
Okay.
2 squishies and a monkey noodle.
Okay. Here you go. I guess.
Scammed!
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my god.
Getting this! And it's really, really legendary.
What?
Yeah, it's legendary.
You better accept this or I'm not gonna give it.
You have to add. This is legendary.
This is
trash.
This is $3,000.
It's not $2,000. I made that myself.
No, you didn't. Oh. Hi.
Go.
Adding this very good thingy.
I got monkey noodle. Back off. That's not what I'm going to tell your mama. I just want to pop it where it pops. Don't take it, boy. That's not giving this Rubik's cube. You have to add. This is really legendary. Let me fit this stupid thing. Get scammed. Is this really fair? Is this fair? That's
Yeah.
all my fidgets. Legendary puppets.
I'm not a scammer.
Going
I'm sorry. I
I
don't have any puppets really. So I don't have.
Add whatever do you want to add.
Here you go,
scam.
Can you? Oh.
Give me my puppet. Scam. Give me my puppet. That's how you scam.
I'll add these 2 monkey noodles.
You need to add.
This normal mesh
Add.
and this thingy.
Do you have any mochis by chance?
No,
Yes, you do.
I have nothing.
Oh, I have the mochis. There. Can you add a little bit more,
Girl,
please?
it declines.
Fine, I'll take your offer.
Okay, that's what I thought. What did I have in there again?
You had this thingy. I think 3 monkey noodles, and that's all. I believe. Okay. Get scammed.
Thank you for your mini puppet.
But you get scammed.
But I got
Okay.
mini puppet.
Treat something. Okay, taking this really, really good.
Oh, guy.
Taking this good
Pretend
thing.
it's nighttime.
Where's the puppet?
Fidget trading is over. Oh my god, fidget trading is over. Oh, finally, it's time for bed.
Finally. Go to bed.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, my neighbor next door was annoying. I scammed someone last night.
Where do my fidgets go? No, I can skip it.
Pretend I... Luckily, I painted all of her fidgets last night.
Dang it. Where do my fidgets go?
I painted them all.
Okay. They give me a really good offer. Train is legendary.
You kind of look poor, so I'm just gonna give you some stuff for free.
Thank you.
What do you have, miss?
I only have this homemade fidget.
Please tell me what all you have so I can see what you don't have. Chloe. Stop, Chloe. I'm gonna scam you. No, Chloe. I'm gonna scam you.
I'm sorry, no.
Please, that's fine. I only have this stuff.
You have one more thing.
Yes, I do. 2 more, actually. This is
You have
all I
another
have.
thing.
No, I don't.
Okay.
This is all I have, I promise. Oh, my mochi.
Do you need a puppet?
Yeah, I need like 4.
No. You can have this mini puppet.
Please. These are all my fidgets for that small puppet. Can you add like...
You can keep your fidgets.
I can give it...
And you can have this pea pop.
Can you... I'm sorry, but can you add like a snake and like a puppet? One more puppet?
You can have this monkey noodle and this very good pop.
Can I have the purple one instead of this one? Now, can I have that ice cream squishy?
Yeah, you can
With-
have this. And
Okay,
that's
now.
it.
Can I have it?
She was kind of rude. At least I was giving something.
Okay, to rating this legendary.
I just gave that to her, so I'm not gonna trade her because Oh, my mom's here.
Guys, let's scam some people. Trading these 3 legendary mochis. Oh, me. Okay, what's your offer? Okay, my offer is these 2 puppets, and then my 2 other puppets with a marble mesh. Oh, you guys are so over, but let's scam them. You need to add. Okay, no need to holler. Okay, so guys, I'll add this Rubik's Cube, and then I'll add my 2 fidget pads, and then I'll add these monkey noodles, and then I'll add my wacky track and my snake, a monkey noodle and a squishy, and this homemade fidget. Is that good enough? You guys are so over, but let's scam them. Add! Fine, I'll add. Okay. Fine, I'll add the rest of my fidgets. Is that good enough? Oh, gee, there's
Warning. Oh, hold on. Guys, this is a warning. This is just a fake. You don't want to do this to any of your friends.
Yeah, no. Anyways, you offering all your fidgets?
No.
Yes. Chloe.
Yes, offering.
Guys, let's scam today.
I just ABC for a best friend that's really rich with fidgets.
Trading these legendary mochis.
Me. But I don't want to trade anything. I just want to be your best friend, and I have a lot of fidgets. You can be like so famous.
Well, can you offer for me?
But can like be my best friend?
Yeah,
That's
but
my offer.
But offer.
Accept or not?
Can you offer then?
No. I'm your best friend. You already get to touch my fidgets. Even if you scan me, I can just give them back. I have your key now. What? I have your key to the house now.
Oh my gosh. These are all your fidgets?
Yes, stupid.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, you want that girl? You want her over there with her pineapple fidget?
Yeah?
What?
I want that puppet. I'm gonna ask her if I can offer for it. Hey, girl!
I'm touching the stem.
Girl! Can I offer for your puppet?
No.
Anyways, so can I see my 3 mine? Not yours, mine. 3 mochis. So,
We should go on a date.
Date?
I mean a fidget date.
Oh, fidget date. Anyways. I'll accept!
I have the key to your house.
No, you do not. I have the key to my own.
I'm rolling.
Get out of